Ever dreamt of buying a motorcycle and traveling across South America? We did it, and in this video we'll share everything you need to know: where to buy, which documents you need, and the challenges you might face. Let's go!
Hi everyone, welcome to our Ruta Sud channel. Today we're gonna tell you about how we bought our motorcycle in Uruguay and how you can do that too. So there is no secret that South America is one of the most beautiful places where you can travel with your motorcycle. And when we just arrived here, we decided that probably we can rent one, as we did in Asia, because it's easy, cheap, and very affordable. So we started to search for rental companies, and it turned out to be that it's actually not popular here. So even if you find a rental, you need like a lot of documents, big deposits, credit card as well, and other paper stuff. And the main issue with rented bike for us, you won't be able to leave the country, and that was really important for us, so we decided to think about buying our own motor.
As you can see, there is plenty of motorcycle shops in Montevideo, where there's a big variety of models, starting from the cheapest to very expensive models, and comparing to other countries of the region, they will cost higher, 30-40% maybe, than in the nearest Argentina or Brazil. So the choice is up to you. You need to decide whether you want a new one that'll be definitely more expensive than in nearby countries, or a used one. We decided to look for a used one, and we already knew that there will be cruiser designed for long distance trips with the comfortable seats and so on. And also, if you gain a license in Uruguay, you have a threshold, the limit of 200cc for first 3 years. So we were limited with the power of 200cc. And that mostly influenced our choice. So let's get inside and see what we have.
So we can see here some big city bikes. If you need a bike for city rides like 80 or 100 kilometers per ride, you can find good models here from brands like Zanella, it's Argentina, Jumbo, China, or well-known brands like Honda or Yamaha. The price range for 125 to 200cc bikes is something like 1,500 to $2,500 US. Just to remember, in other countries of Latin America, they could be really cheaper.
Finally, after visiting the shop, we realized that the model that suits us well costs at least 3,500. That wasn't worth the deal for us, so we decided to stop on a used one.
So in the end, we decided to search for motorbike online, and in South America there are two main platforms where you can find used motorbikes. The first one is Facebook Marketplace, and the second one is Mercado Libre. It's actually the biggest platform in South America, which is used both by private sellers and shops. So one evening we decided to open Mercado Libre, and just in 10 minutes we found our perfect bike. It's T-Way Superlight 200. It's actually very affordable bike from Chinese brand with super classical design, and surprisingly they are assembled in Hungary, which can be like additional reason to rely on its quality.
We were really lucky. The bike was actually almost new, with a price of $1,000 US cheaper than a new one. It has comfortable seats, built-in side bags, and a moderate fuel consumption, just 3 liters per 100 kilometers.
So, after checking motorbike and all the documents, we agreed to buy it. Firstly, you need to schedule an appointment at the City Hall to submit the application for motorcycle ownership transfer. You can choose a date online, and also you need to pay a fee of $40 US, And on the chosen date, you come to the city hall with the past owner, you sign the application, and actually that's it. So you will immediately get your new motorcycle ownership card. Congratulations! After paying for motorcycle and getting your new motorcycle ownership card, the bike is officially yours. Tip number 1. Even if notary service is not actually required, you don't need to come to notary to make a sales agreement, but I actually recommend you to do the one anyway just by yourself, and you can find a lot of templates on Google, but I will leave the one that we use in description, and you both sign the agreements and keep the copies. Also, I recommend to check for any unpaid fines and debts, since if there are any, they will be transferred to the new owner. In our case, our notary just checked it online in 2 minutes and everything was fine, so that's it. Once you have your new ownership card, you need to make 2 more little payments. The first one is actually administrative fee for printing that motorcycle card. You need to go to Habitat. It's like a local service center where you can do actually anything from like paying bills to withdraw cash. And the second step is to go to insurance company and to make an insurance for your motorbike. It's obligatory in Uruguay, so you have to do that. And there are lots of insurance companies in Uruguay. In our case, we chose Banco de Seguros. It's probably the most popular one, and it's also not private but from the government. So we went there and asked, do we need additional insurance if we want to leave the country? And for that case, they have like basic insurance. It covers as well Argentina, Chile, Paraguay, and Brazil. So it costed us about $80, including SOA insurance, and that's it. It will be active for 1 year.
Driving here is a little bit different from driving in European countries or Asian countries. So you better take several lessons, at least 3, with an instructor that will help you to get it through. You pay separately for each lesson, and after the separate payments for the exam and for renting a motorcycle from a motor school. So after you first message your instructor, these are the following steps. Number 1. The instructor sends you the materials that help you to prepare for the theoretical part. Secondly, he helps you to prepare for the practical part of the exam, giving you several lessons of riding, and after everything is done, he schedules the exam date. Important note, everything should be in Spanish, and nobody speaks English here, especially among the instructors, so be prepared to have a hard work done.
If you got any questions, you can drop them in comments and we'll be able to answer you. Thank you for subscribing.
See you on the road.